We want to find the area of this square. Let's name here A, and let's name the length of this square X. X equal to length of square. But this triangle and this triangle are similar. So we have 2 over x equal to 3 over a. That's similar triangle. So from here, making a the subject, we have a equal to 3x over 2. Since this is a right angle triangle, we can actually use Pythagoras theorem, which states that the square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the square of the two other sides. So we have a squared plus s squared equal to 3 squared. But our a is 3x over 2. So we have 3x over 2 all squared plus s squared equal to 3 squared. So opening this bracket, we have 9x squared over 4 plus x squared equal to 9. So from here we can multiply through by 4. We then have 4 9x squared over 4 plus 4 times s squared equal to 9 times 4. So this will give us 9s squared plus 4s squared equal to 36. 9s squared plus 4s squared, we have 13x squared equal to 36. So this will give us x squared equal to 36 over 13. So the area of square is equal to 36 over 13.